So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I believe everybody of you is doing great, nice and absolutely fine. This is me, Yawar Manzoor, and I'm right now in Kashmir. I'm in my garden right now. The weather is absolutely phenomenal. And I thought of making the video, that's why I came over here. So this is the common question that people keep asking me every single time in my live classes. Sir, how to deal with this mental stress, anxiety, or some sort of mental trauma? So I thought of making the video on that one. So I'll tell you the 3 golden rules that will definitely help you in coming out of this stress or mental trauma or anxiety, whatever the name you're gonna give it. Now, the first golden rule that I personally feel is, this is the acknowledgement of this anxiety and stress. What is that? See, you have to basically know what you are going through. You have to list out all the reasons which are messing with your brain, which are messing with your body, which are messing with your mind. Then only afterwards we can find the solution. So first and the foremost point is, we have to acknowledge this anxiety and stress. So people, the second golden rule is, don't sweat over the small things. If you are going through this beautiful journey, you shouldn't care about what your relatives think, what other people say about you, what your society thinks about you. At the end, it will eventually lead you nowhere. That's what I'm talking about. You have to be focused to your goal. You should have love for your goal only. That should only matter to you. You should only care about that one. So people, the third golden rule, the solution to this anxiety and stress is, train your mind. You have to develop your senses. You need to have control on yourself, because in this beautiful journey, in cracking your competitive exam, whatever your journey is, there will be times when you will feel pretty low. At that point of time, you have to show the strength. You have to unleash the warrior in you. So basically, on training your mind, if you face any sort of difficulty, you would definitely kill it. At the end, I would definitely recommend you to follow all these 3 golden rules. It will definitely help you to come out of this stress and anxiety. Thank you so much. So now at the end, I want you people to subscribe to JEE English Unacademy. And we're coming up with so many courses on special classes as well, and that's completely for free, but that will be on Unacademy app. So for that, you have to download the Unacademy app and use my code to come in my special classes. So thank you so much. Stay tuned. See you very soon.